People use Notion for streamlining their YouTube video production process. They use Notion for holistically planning their goals across multiple timelines. They use Notion for capturing transactions into a central database, as well as categorizing those transactions appropriately. And they use Notion to organize and visualize all of that data in helpful ways to draw conclusions and influence decision-making moving forward. But today, I want to hear from you guys. What are the top 1 to 2 most valuable applications of Notion that if you were to learn them, they would most benefit you and your life? Whether you're brand new to Notion or you've been using it a while, but there's 1 or 2 things that you'd really like to learn how to do inside Notion, how to organize and streamline so that all the other areas of your life were improved. What would those 2 things be? 1 or 2 things be? Comment those below, and I'll see you next week.
Saw the sun in the distance, looked like a burning corn.